Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse trend on TikTok. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Capcut apps and add the video that you want to edit, in here I wanna cut this video, so you can cut this video in the part that you want, maybe on this one. And after this, you can click on the video. And now you can click on the split. Okay, and now you can click on the second video, and now you can click on delete. Now you can click on the first video, and after this, at the menu you can swipe until you can see on the copy. You can click on the copy, click on it, and after this you can click on the second video, click on it, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see a reverse. This is the reverse, and click on it, and after this you can please waiting. Okay, finish. So that's how to make a reverse trend on TikTok. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.